So what this instrument's going to allow us to do is fundamentally look at structures of ions that we're forming in mass spectrometry. It's going to give us access to a lot more ions than have been previously accessed through other forms of ion spectroscopy and things like that. It's going to let us do high-resolution laser scans in both the ultraviolet and infrared regions of the spectrum. To study ions in the gas phase spectroscopically, you really want them to be as cold as possible so that you're not smearing your population amongst a wide range of vibrational states. Traditionally in the Zwier lab, what they've done is use supersonic expansions, which cool to very near absolute zero. But you're limited as to how you can vaporize the ions with that. With this instrument, what we're using is an actual cryogenically cooled trap to trap the ions and cool them down to about 4 Kelvin, which lets us use ions that we generate through other means of ionization. It poses a lot of problems to get down that cold because a lot of things that are in your vacuum system, such as nitrogen from the air, will actually start freezing at those temperatures. So we have to make sure the vacuum system that we're cooling down to those temperatures is extremely clean, no oils, no solvents present, and even water is a real problem for us getting down to those temperatures. Coming in from undergrad, I had zero experience with cold temperatures or vacuum systems or any of these things, and if I was just left to stumble around and figure them out on my own, it would take a lot longer. Fortunately, we have the Amy facility, which has engineers that are experienced in the problems that you face with ultra-high vacuum, ultra-cold temperatures, high voltages, both DC and RF, and these types of things. So it doesn't require me to become an expert in everything because I have a team of experts that I can go to and ask questions. I came to Purdue mainly looking to get into Scott McLuckey's group, and even the stuff that Scott McLuckey does is he relies on Amy facility to build the instrumentation, and this instrument would not be possible without the Amy facility. It's saved so much money, so much time that without the Amy facility there, the grant probably wouldn't have made it because funding is really difficult right now, and it would have been a lot more expensive if we had to go to a commercial source for a lot of the electronics that we've had built here in the chemistry building.